Ever wondered what makes caviar so special and expensive? The answer lies in its mystery and allure. Caviar, with its tiny, glistening jewels, is more than just a delicacy. It's a symbol of luxury, a testament to the finer things in life. The high cost of this exquisite food item is due to multiple factors, from the rarity of the sturgeon fish to the meticulous preparation process. These elements combine to create a culinary experience like no other. Let's dive into the world of caviar and uncover the secrets behind its grandeur. Our journey begins with the fascinating life of sturgeons. These living fossils, remarkably unchanged for over 200 million years, have a life cycle as interesting as their history. Sturgeons spend most of their lives in salt water, but migrate to fresh water to spawn. Females can carry millions of eggs, which, after fertilization, hatch into larvae that drift downstream to the sea, embarking on a journey of survival and growth. Sturgeons are not only vital to the ecosystem, but are also the star of the caviar show. Their roe, or eggs, are harvested to produce this luxurious delicacy. And while many sturgeons are caught in the wild, there's been a significant shift towards farm-raised sturgeons. These farms provide a controlled environment where sturgeons can grow and produce caviar sustainably without the threat of overfishing. These majestic creatures are the foundation of the caviar industry. Their life, a tale of endurance and survival, is woven into each pearl of caviar. Now let's delve into the meticulous process of caviar production. Our journey begins with the extraction of eggs. In the case of live sturgeons, the fish are gently massaged to encourage the release of eggs. This method, though more time-consuming, allows for the preservation of the fish and a sustainable harvest. On the other hand, when extracting eggs from a dead sturgeon, the fish is carefully dissected to retrieve their precious roe. Once the eggs are collected, they are sieved to remove any impurities and membrane fragments. This step is crucial to ensure the pure, unadulterated taste of the caviar. Following this, the eggs are washed with clean water, a step that is as simple as it is vital, preserving the freshness and preventing any contamination. The next stage in the process is salting. This doesn't just add flavor, but also acts as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of the caviar. The eggs are mixed with a precise amount of salt, typically 3 to 5% of the egg's weight. This process, known as malasol, is a delicate balancing act. Too little salt and the caviar spoils, too much and the subtle flavors are lost. After salting, the caviar is left to mature. During this stage, the flavors develop and intensify, much like a fine wine. The length of maturation can vary, anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of caviar and the desired flavor profile. Finally, the matured caviar is packed into tins ready for distribution. The highest quality caviar is packed into smaller tins, often made of gold or mother of pearl, reflecting the precious nature of its contents. The entire process, from extraction to packaging, must be done quickly and meticulously, often within hours, to maintain the freshness and quality of the caviar. It is this rigorous process that contributes to the high cost and scarcity of caviar. But what about the impact of this luxury industry on our ecosystem, you might wonder? Well, the caviar production process indeed takes a toll on our environment, particularly posing a significant threat to the existence of sturgeons. Sturgeons, the prized fish from which caviar is derived, are often reared in farms or caught in the wild. The demand for their eggs means that many are harvested before they reach maturity, disrupting their natural life cycle. Overfishing, for instance, has led to a drastic decline in sturgeon populations worldwide. This in turn affects the balance of aquatic ecosystems, as sturgeons play an integral role in maintaining the health of rivers and lakes. Furthermore, farm-raised sturgeons can often lead to other environmental issues such as water pollution and the spread of disease. The delicate balance of nature is disturbed, all for the sake of producing those tiny, glistening orbs of luxury. The caviar industry has a profound impact on our ecosystem, which adds to the complexity of this luxury food. Caviar is not just a food, it's a symbol of luxury and wealth across the globe. From the opulent dining tables of Europe to the extravagant sushi bars of Japan, caviar holds a prominent place in the culinary world. This delicacy, traditionally harvested from the sturgeon, has found its way into the hearts and palates of connoisseurs worldwide. The global demand for caviar is so high that it has led to the establishment of sturgeon farms across the globe. From the cold rivers of Russia and Iran to the warm waters of California and even landlocked farms in China, sturgeon farming has become a lucrative business. These farms not only cater to the rising demand, but also play a crucial role in conserving the endangered sturgeon species. But what happens when the supply of sturgeon caviar can't meet the demand? Enter salmon caviar. Known as red caviar, it's a popular substitute for sturgeon caviar. With a vibrant red color and a slightly sweeter taste, salmon caviar has carved its own niche in the world of gourmet food. And it's not just salmon. From the roe of the lumpfish to that of the paddlefish, various types of fish eggs are being savored around the world, each with its unique taste and texture. This global fascination with caviar, be it from the sturgeon or any other fish, is a testament to its timeless appeal. Despite its cost and the controversy surrounding its production, the demand for caviar continues to grow. So, what have we learned about this luxurious delicacy? We've unraveled the enigma of caviar, diving deep into the life of the majestic sturgeon, the source of this gourmet delicacy. We've seen how these magnificent creatures are nurtured, both in their natural habitat and in sturgeon farms around the globe, each environment providing its own unique challenges and rewards. We've delved into the intricate process of caviar production, from extraction of the precious eggs, whether from the living or the departed, to their preservation. The cost of preparation, the valuation of the final dish, and the staggering prices it can fetch, all underscore the rarity and luxury of caviar. We've explored the global demand for caviar and even touched upon the alternatives like salmon eggs. Yet we've also acknowledged the impact of caviar production on our ecosystem and the delicate balance that needs to be maintained. Caviar is indeed a fascinating and complex world filled with luxury, controversy, and a taste that is simply unparalleled.